What's up, guys? Today we're going to look at what I bought 2 years ago, that sponge tripod with the remote control on Wish. Let's go. Hi, my name is Steph, and today we're going to do an update about this tripod I buy on Wish. I pay roughly $2 and the shipping is what, $1, $1.50, and now this guy goes $3 to all the way to $20 before shipping. This tripod, it's like a sponge. Okay, if you want, this month you can take it out. If you want, you can put a camera on it, or else just put it back, or a camcorder. Really a small one, really small one. I'm going to put it back. If you want, you can go like 360. Here you can tighten it just to be sure it's not moving. The length of the tripod is going to be 6.6 here to all the way till here. If you want, just grab the rubber, and this can open all the way 3.3 inch, and just let it go, and that's going to close it. The distance for the remote control, it's good to all the way 30 feet. The battery inside, it's going to be CR2032. If you want, you can choose to press for take a picture, and you have Android or iOS. The weight of this is 58 grams or 2 ounces. The only thing I can tell you, since I have it, I still love it. I'm always using it at home, or my wife is always using it. So for 2 years, for the price I pay for it, it's really good. Now it's probably too much expensive, but if you pay less than $3 for that with the remote control, really good. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to leave a comment. I'm going to put a link about this guy here all the way down, and don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to ding 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 the bell, please. See you on the next one. Ciao.